If your Cash App account has been restricted, you can appeal the decision to regain access. Follow these steps to submit your appeal effectively. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all relevant information regarding your account, including your Cash App username, email address, and any transaction details that may be pertinent to your case. Step 2. Access Cash App support. Open the Cash App on your mobile device and navigate to the profile icon or the support section. This is where you can find options to contact customer support. Step 3. Submit a request. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Provide documentation. If applicable, attach any supporting documents that can help your case, such as screenshots of transactions or communications with Cash App. This evidence can strengthen your appeal. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, be patient and wait for Cash App's response. This may take a few days, so check your email regularly for updates regarding your account status. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal your account restriction on Cash App. Good luck!